Welcome all. Now let's see Norton resistance numerical and one more Thevenin resistance numerical with dependent sources. Okay, because here student face a difficulty. Okay, the question is in the circuit shown the Norton resistance in ohm across terminal AB is. So we have to determine the Thevenin resistance or you can say Norton resistance between terminal A and B. So first of all you give me one answer. What will be the Norton current for this circuit? So only dependent source is present, diamond shaped source is present. So in this case, my VTH is 0, Thevenin voltage is 0 and Norton current is also 0. So whenever the circuit contains only dependent sources, in that case, the Norton voltage, Norton current and Thevenin voltage is always 0. This is 100% true result. The circuit with only dependent source, just like this, only dependent source is present, no independent sources are absent. So no, Thevenin voltage and Norton current are 0. Okay. Next is, so as dependent source is there, but Thevenin resistance or Norton resistance will be there. This resistance will have some value. This resistance will have some value. So we will find out. So because of the dependent source, I need to connect either 1 volt source or 1 ampere current source. So if I am connecting 1 volt source, I need to calculate the current. As they are already using I in the circuit, so I will use I dash current. So 1 volt upon I dash will give me the 1 volt upon I dash will give me the Norton resistance. Okay. So I have connected one 1 volt source here. So this 4 ohm and 1 volt source are in parallel. So here also voltage will be 1 volt. Then what will be this I current? So according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, I equal to V by R. So 1 upon 4, that means 0.25 ampere. I value will be 0.25 ampere. As you can see the polarity, you should always also look at the polarity. Plus to minus, current is entering into the plus to minus, that means it is with correct polarity. Okay, current always enter with plus to minus polarity. Okay, so I value is 0.25 ampere. Then what will be this 4I value? 4 into 0.25, 1 volt. This is a voltage source, plus minus is written. So this is nothing but voltage source, not current value. Even though current is written, that means it is a current controlled voltage source. Plus minus means voltage source. Okay, so voltage value is 1 volt. So why it is called as dependent source? Because instead of 1 volt, if I connect 10 volt here, so the voltage will be 10 volt, current will be 2.5 ampere, and this voltage value will be 10 volt. So that's why this is called as dependent source. Depending on this voltage, this current will change, and as current will change, the voltage value will change. That's why it is nothing but dependent source. Okay. So let's just focus on the analysis. So 1 volt here, 1 volt here. Okay. So here also 1 volt is there because of parallel connection. Okay. So I will just apply one nodal equation and the voltage value here is 1 volt. Okay. So nodal equation will be, this leaving current will be 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So this current will be 0. Then this current 1 minus, this is the ground terminal, 1 minus 0 upon 2, that means 1 by 2, plus this current will be 1 minus 0 upon 4, that means 1 by 4. This current is already 0. Okay, and this current, it is the opposite direction current, so that's why I will take with minus I dash. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75, and sorry, it is 0 equal to 0. According to nodal equation, I have applied nodal equation. So voltage minus voltage upon resistance. So 1 minus 1 divided by resistance, 0. Then 1 minus 0 upon resistance, 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 upon resistance, 1 by 4. And this current, it is the entering current. and because these nodes are same, okay, so this is the entering current, that's why minus I dash. So I dash value here, if you solve it, I dash value is 3 by 4 means 0.75. And what is the voltage? 1 volt. So what is the resistance? Thevenin resistance or Norton resistance? One and the same. So 1 volt upon 0.75 ampere current. So 1 upon 0.75 is 1.33 ohm. So the Norton resistance answer is 1.33 ohm. So this is the answer for this question. 1 upon 0.75 is 1.33. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Calculate Thevenin resistance RTH across XY. So here I have to calculate Thevenin resistance. So first of all, independent source, I will make it turn off. Current source means it is open circuit. So this will be removed. Okay. So now dependent source is present. So I need to connect 1 volt source here. Plus minus 1 volt source I will connect. And current, let us say current is. Okay. Again, I they have used. So I will use the current I dash. So turn off dependent source and connect 1 volt source across terminal XY. Let I dash be the current flow through this 1 volt source. So this is the simplified circuit. I have removed that 2 ampere current source. Okay. Now here 1 volt. This is also parallel connection. So here also voltage will be 1 volt. Okay. Here also parallel, because of parallel connection, voltage will be 1 volt. So what will be the small I value? I equal to 1 volt upon 1 ohm. So I value will be 1 ampere. And what will be the value of this voltage source? 2I, so 2 into 1, 2 volt. This is the voltage source because of plus minus sign. If arrow is written, that means it is a current source. But plus minus means it is a voltage source. All these nodes are same. All these nodes are same. So I will use the nodal equation. Voltage is 1 volt. Voltage is 1 volt. Now I will apply the nodal equation. So sum of leaving current equal to 0. So 1 minus 2, I assume that this is at higher potential. Even though negative will come, no problem. So 1 minus 2 divided by resistance is how much? In this branch, resistance is 1 ohm. So this is the current value. In this direction, current value is this. Plus 1 minus 0, this current will be 1 minus 0 divided by 1. 1 minus 0 divided by 1. What will be the value of this current? 1 minus 1 volt minus 0 volt divided by 1 volt minus 0 volt divided by 2 ohm. So 1 by 2. And this I dash is the incoming current. So I will take with minus sign. So minus I dash equal to 0. So minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, upon 1 is minus 1 plus 1. So this will get cancelled out. Plus 1 by 2 minus I dash equal to 0. So I dash value is 0.5. Simple mathematics. Nothing else. I dash value is 0.5 ampere. So what is Thevenin resistance value? RTH equal to 1 volt divided by 0.5. So 1 divided by 0.5 is how much? 2 ohm is the Thevenin resistance. 1 divided by 0.5 is, so RTH is 2 ohm is the answer for this question. Okay. So once again, instead of 1 volt, if I connect 10 volt, then this current will 10 volt will come over here, 10 volt will come over here. So this voltage value will change. That's why it is nothing but dependent source. Dependent source are shown by the diamond shape. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, thank you.